Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because today we're unpacking a topic that's been raising a lot of eyebrows online. Is LSSC scooter scam or legit? If you've seen ads about making passive income by investing in shared electric scooters through LSSC, keep watching. This video might save you from losing money. Let's start with the basics. LSSC, or Lighting Shared Scooter Company, claims to be a Hong Kong-based electric scooter sharing business. They say you can invest in their scooters and they'll rent them to riders around the world, earning you daily passive income. Sounds interesting, right? A clean tech business model with daily returns? But hold on, because once you look deeper, things don't add up. Here's where the red flags start popping up. First, their entire business focuses more on getting new investors than actually running scooters. Real scooter sharing companies like Lime or Bird show their fleet locations, usage statistics, maintenance networks, and rider apps. But SC? Almost no proof of any real scooter operations anywhere. Instead, their main focus is to get users to top up better plans and invite referrals for higher daily profits. That's a huge warning sign. Second, they promise guaranteed profits, sometimes up to 3 to 5% per day, depending on your investment plan. Guaranteed returns do not exist in real business. This is a classic hallmark of a pyramid scheme or Ponzi model. Early investors make money only as long as new people join. Third, there are growing reports online of people losing money, especially students, immigrants, and young people looking for side income. Some users claim withdrawals suddenly stopped after they invested larger amounts. Once the platform stops paying, support disappears. Another major red flag. On top of that, their website has no real company registration details, no business address, no leadership team, and no proof of scooters actually deployed. There are also warnings on Reddit, Trustpilot, and Facebook groups from people calling it suspicious or outright scammy. So is LSSC legit? There is no solid evidence that it's a genuine scooter sharing company, but there are multiple red flags suggesting it might be a risky investment platform operating like a pyramid scheme. If you ask me, stay away and protect your money. If a business depends more on recruiting than real products, it's not a business, it's a trap. If you found this helpful, please hit like so more people can avoid online scams. Comment below if you want me to investigate another platform. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Stay smart, stay safe online.